So here, so this is what. So what it say, like what it tells about is, okay, just go one folder out of this particular folder and look for demo.jpg. Let's see what it shows to us. See here, yeah, this guy is a famous. Uh, yeah, so this is how the relative paths work. So you got any questions here? I can answer you. Any questions? No? Arun, you got any questions here? I'm sure Kalpit has no questions here. Kalpit, you're not supposed. Yeah, you need to know the exact path. Exactly. Like usually what there is a proper protocol for doing projects. Like put your images in an image folder every time, so that like you don't have to confuse. No, no, it cannot. Like it only looks in the path you have specified. Like it just don't scan every folder and say, hey, is there any file here? If it's not here, just go back to the next folder. It doesn't. I'm breaking. Can you hear me now? Yeah, it doesn't look for it. It only looks for this SRC here. Like whatever we give it here, it looks for it. If it's not found, yeah, it will go like hey, I did not find the image, so I'm just showing you the archive. So that is what it does. It ain't that intelligent to look for all the images through my computer and say, hey, there is Jpg. Let me show it. It doesn't. It's not that intelligent. But yeah, we can still write code for it, like in PHP, a logic for it, saying, hey, if this particular folder is not found, just look for any other folder which starts with this, or just like that. We can write the logic and traverse, but browser, yeah, it's not that intelligent. It only reads these particular tags and it renders the output. That's it. That's what it can do. So that is about the image tag. Yes, there is one more guy. Yeah, Sandeep, you're late to the class actually. I was waiting for you for some time and then I started the class. Yeah, Sandeep, you're here? So that is about the image tag. So let me go back to the first program. Yeah. No, no, it does not follow. Like like zomastic means like all. So it does not. Say as I told you, like it only reads the tags and it say for instance I said SRC. So images are first it thinks like, okay, there's an image tag. So let us look for SRC. Yeah, there is SRC. Now what is there in the SRC? Okay, they have given an absolute path or a relative path for an image, or for a JPEG, for a PNG, for a GIF. Then it traverses like that. And if the source is fine, if it finds the path, yeah, then it shows. That's it. It doesn't follow the asterisk. Yeah, it isn't that intelligent to think in the future, but as of now, yeah, it cannot. Yeah, fine. So assuming that you understood this image tag, let me go back this to this first program, and I'm taking back the changes by doing undo here. So what I do is like, let me put a picture of mine as a banner image. Okay. So let me go to this particular page here. This is the first.html. So I refresh it here. Again, I have to change this. Yeah, let that web developer be strong. So I want to put a banner image from here to this end and say up to here, then display this particular image. So let me just make up some banner image. Okay, so what I do is like I do it in Paint, and I just do this every time. Like whatever you see on the Facebook images, I use Paint for it. So let me use the Paint for this too. And what color we go with? I'll go with green. How does it look like? But let's see. So this is the background. Let me write the black text here, and let me use a big font. Can you guys see it actually? I'm just using a Paint and it got stuck. This happens every time. Yeah. Can you guys see it? There's no problem, right? Yeah. So yeah, let me type here. Learn HTML with me. So this is a banner image. I say. Let us see how does it look like. So, and I'll restrict. Let's restrict the height over there. So what I do is like I go to the slide. So inside the images, I say this to be a banner dot. I say this as a JPEG. You can see here like the various types of images: JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF. So I save it as JPEG, banner.jpg. So now let's go back to the program and say img src equal to, now the src I have to go to images, then banner.jpg. So image tag is I just made a mistake. Self-closing tag, there is no content in it, there is no /img closing tag. Then I give an alternate saying learn HTML with me. I'll say you why alt tag is so important when I discuss about the marketing stuff of a web page. Like this thing is used for SEO, which we'll be discussing later, but that's not a part of this course. But I'll just let you guys know a bit about SEO too. Then I say title. Title is banner image. Doesn't matter whatever I give over there. Now let me come back to the page here and come here and refresh it. Now see, it's huge actually. I don't want that huge, so I say width equal to. So previously I've seen pixels in pixels. I say 100% width. So this says like, when I say 100%, it means like this is from this corner, the left corner to the right corner. That's it. 100% means yeah, fit it to the width of the current page. So and I want it that big, so I say height equal to say some 300 pixels. Let's see how does it look like. I can just say 300 too, but I have a habit of using following standards. So whenever I write something, I just follow the standards. So just come here, refresh. Yeah, you can see here. If I say 100%, it got fit to it. And actually, let me scrap this. I want this big. Yeah, this is fine. Now let us see. I just changed the image over there because it's 300 pixels, showing a bit weird. Let's come back and say 100 pixels. Yeah. So like now this looks a better website than yesterday's. Like I have an image here. So yeah, and again let's check if image tag is an inline tag or or a block level tag. Let me say this to be a 400 pixel, and let me add some content here saying thank you for viewing this image essay. So it's in the same p tag. Like I'm just typing some content just beside the image tag. So let's see. Yeah, it's an inline tag. So it's not just, it's just putting here. Now let us see. We haven't discussed another property here. Assume you guys are fine. So we did not discuss another property here. Let me say we did not discuss the align. Now the default is the left alignment. Let me say right here. Align equal to right. I just saved it and it's here. Yeah. Now see, the image is being pushed to the, this is the p tag and this is the next p tag, but still the image appears here. So this is a bit better than the previous one. Yeah, any questions here? Hello Umakant, I guess you have come from Facebook. So yeah, that is the image tag. Got any questions here? Or shall I put some questions for you guys? So as an assignment, I'll ask you guys to, just, write some page about you. So, any, something like this, like, what is that? Like, it's all about your formatting. How do you format it? Use your creativity. How do you do it? It's up to you. And you can send me the file, that particular HTML file on a web page, or you can, sorry, on an email, or you can, or if you want that to be uploaded to the website, I'll give you some permissions, but I assume you can't operate it all by alone. So it's better if you send me the file so that I'll execute it here and show to the other students too, if you wanted me to show to them. So it's just like as an assignment. I wanted you guys to do the exact same thing what I've done, but about you, and use your creativity. Just use only the topics we have covered so far, not like go Google and put some advanced stuff. Yeah, it's not. I mean, yeah, it's not good. I feel. Yes. Yeah. Any questions, sir? If you're not able to hear me, really? I guess, yeah, I'm holding the microphone with me. Actually, I'm using a microphone instead of the default laptop. Now, can you hear me? I'm just saying, like, yeah, I'll follow this protocol actually. Yeah, I'm just holding it. Yeah, I'm saying that just as an assignment, write a web page just like what I have done it here, but use some creativity. Use image tag here, there. Use anything and just send me the file if you're done. And if you wanted that file to be shown to the fellow students or fellow guys, then I'll just execute the code here and show to them like what you have done. Yeah, so I guess I cannot continue with the links today because links is another topic which takes 1 more hour. So since it's just 30 hours remain in the class, I assume like we close here. Yeah, you can send it to me whenever you're done, or whenever you feel like I can send this to me just to see like how well you are doing, like your progress, uh, just as an assignment, so that you just don't forget what I'm saying it here. Yeah. And also coming to the videos which I said like I'll be posting, yeah, it's taking a bit time for me because I have to re-record them. It's not like this particular session is being recorded, but it is not in a format which can be uploaded to YouTube. So I have to convert that into a format which is which I can upload it to YouTube, but that's not happening because I'm stuck up with some work at my office. So I just give me some more time because each class is 1 hour, so I have to be with the system for 1 hour to record it. So that's again a task for me. So I can do that when when I'm free actually. So with that, if you guys have any questions, I can answer. Let me put a poll here. Let me see what you guys have learned for today. Azar is gone. So Sandeep, yes, you're late to the class. So I hope you could follow the rest of the session from where you started. This is an easy question, but yeah, this it is like a kind of important one. So Sandeep, I guess you can answer this question. Okay. Well, correct again. Arun, your answer is absolutely correct. Great going. I'm just ending the poll. I hope Sandeep been following the whole the session. I guess maybe I'm just stopping to share screen, and I'll be taking typing the whole class again in a Google document, which I'll be sharing with only the students who attend the class. So as if you also don't share it with anyone, it's just a custom copy of my own which I have prepared. So I'll be sharing that particular whatever we have learned in this class. I'll be sharing that document, and also I'll be emailing you guys this particular three files which in the tutors live, and I won't be giving the emails. You put your own emails, whatever you feel like. I don't assume like these emails are important. You can put any emails. I'll be mailing you guys even these three files which we have done until so far, and the class which we have discussed only today because I'm not prepared for tomorrow yesterday's class. So I'll be preparing it now and I'll be sharing maybe by tomorrow morning Indian time. So you guys will be expecting